Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu sakwasendoda lesi Gogo Bathini Mbatha umavula kuvula emizamo yamadoda. Ngikanza ukuthi nalento ade ngikhuluma ngayo yamakhandlela. We did a video of safety of amakhandlela. Guys, please share this video as much as you can. As much as you can. Sisengozini nequality yamakhandlela esinawo. We had 4 candles. Eli one seliphelile. Kodwa kuba le khandlela leli alikho on a safety container like this. Kube le wax le kube iya phansi yahamba yayoshisa lapha emsamo. Ngithobana kunjani emsamo kube sekushile ke manje. Ube le wax le bese ublame abathakathi uba invite laba nginvathanga khona usukela abathakathi babantu ukuthi bakuloyile banomona bakuthumele ngevutha kanti lutho. So all this wax that you see emanzini babe iphansi babe ivuthile and probably yashisa indlu. So the safety of Ukuphahla, it's very important. Look at how still well sized is these candles. Yabona size okhona leli linye seliphelile. And if you look at the quality, ayifani lo yellow lo nalo. It's not the same yellows. This one it's like dark yellow. You don't understand which bokwenzakala and everything. Iyashesha ukuphela. But because of we safe. Why we safe? Because sibambisene and we are sharing all the information, good or bad, safe and unsafe. So please guys, share this video as much as you can. Let's be safe while we're talking to our ancestors. Thokozani.